silent killer of your focus and how to fix it. You're drowning in noise and you don't even realize it. Your brain wasn't designed for the 2026 digital landscape. It was designed to scan for threats. But today, every notification is a digital predator stealing you from your most valuable resource, your focus. This is the silent killer of your potential. And here is how to fix it. The invisible assassin, attention residue. Every time you check a quick notification, you don't just lose those 5 seconds, you trigger attention residue. Part of your brain stays stuck on the last email or text up to 20 minutes. If you check your phone every 10 minutes, you are effectively living in a state of permanent cognitive fog. You are never truly present. The fix, the air gap strategy. Physically separate yourself from the distraction. If you're doing deep work, your phone shouldn't be just face down. It should be in another room. In 2026, the mere presence of a smartphone, even if it's off, reduces your available cognitive capacity. Build an air gap between you and the noise. The chemical trap, dopamine. App developers use variable reward algorithms to keep you scrolling. It's the same psychology used in slot machines. You aren't checking social media, you're gambling for a hit of dopamine. The constant spiking of your reward system makes the real world task feel boring and impossible to start. The fix, the 2-minute boredom reset. When you feel the itch to check your phone, stop. Sit for exactly 120 seconds and do nothing. Don't think, don't plan, just be bored. This micro reset allows your baseline dopamine level to stabilize. You will find that boring task in front of you suddenly becomes manageable again. The structural damage, task switching. Multitasking is a lie. Your brain is actually task switching, rapidly stopping and starting processes. This burns through your glucose and oxygen reserves, leading to brain fog by 2 p.m. Every switch costs you a 10-point drop in IQ. The fix, the time block fortress. Group similar tasks together. Don't answer emails as they arrive. Set 2 30-minute blocks, one in each morning and one in each afternoon, to handle all communication. Outside of those blocks, the fortress is closed. Protect your deep work hours as if your career depends on them, because it does. The physical cost, chronic hyper-alertness. Living in a switched-on state keeps your body in a low-level fight or flight mode. Your cortisol levels stay elevated, which eventually impairs the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for logics and focus. You're literally stressing yourself into stupidity. The fix, the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This breaks the near work loop and signals to your nervous system that you aren't under a threat. It's a physical kill switch for digital stress. The final audit. Focus is not a gift, it is a choice. You can either be a tool for algorithm or you can make the algorithm a tool for you. Turn off every notification that isn't from a human being. Delete the apps that drain you. Reclaim your focus. Reclaim your life. Tell me in the comments, what is the one app you're deleting today? Stay focused.